everybody, welcome to AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2015 Jeep Cherokee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the features that come with the system as well. This is our newest generation of the touch screen for Jeep Cherokee series, okay? It will support all the Cherokee from 2011 to 2021. Let's start from the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the newest generation of Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it also supports 4G LTE. You can insert the SIM card to the unit. You can access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. This is very user-friendly and convenient while you're on the road trip. And this system also comes with the new generation of the Android 13. It also comes with 8GB of the RAM and 128GB of the storage memory. It's more than enough. And this is direct fit. As you can see, the dash right here, there's no gap here. It's perfectly bent to the original dash. It looks original. And it's fully compatible with all the original features such as the backup camera, steering wheel control, climate control, premium sound system, and this is and much more. Let's start from the setting of the unit first. The system also comes with two built-in interfaces, the modern style and the classic style. Let's check out how it looks like for the modern style. This is how it looks like for the modern style here. It's very nice, okay? So you can also relocate all the icons based on your personal preferences. Very nice. And of course, you can also change it back to the classic mode. And this system also comes with the daytime mode and nighttime mode. The nighttime mode is very cool. You will change everything to black, as you can see. And then you can see this is the nighttime mode right here. It also supports the split screen feature. You can also check the navigation on the top and also the media information at the bottom. It's also fully compatible with all the climate control here. I will show you step by step. In order to let you guys easier to see the screen, I will change this one to daytime mode. This is the climate control here. It's very nice. You can also adjust the fan speed right here. Turn on the heat seat and also the cooling seat. And if your car is equipped with the heat steering wheel, you can also turn on this feature as well. And the circulation here. You can also turn on the auto mode. Very nice. You can also support the dual climate control. You can control the temperature separately from the driver side and the passenger side. It's very nice. You can also change the fan mode right here. It's also fully compatible with the backup camera, as you can see. It will also retain the active guideline, as you can see. It's very nice. Okay, and other than that, you can also go to the radio right here. Let's try it out.
Vacations.com.
Ontario is helping you keep more of what's yours. We cut the gas tax and scrap the license plate sticker fee drive clean program for most vehicles.
Down in the Mercedes, had a radio.
Okay, it's very nice. And this system also supports multiple navigation software. This system comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Other than these two features, it also comes with offline GPS receiver. So basically, you do not need to connect to the data to use the navigation. In order to use the navigation, it also comes with the Waze and also the Google Map as well. This is the newest version of Google Map. It will also provide you with the offline feature. How to use the offline navigation of the Google Map? Basically, just need to click on this one, offline map, select your own map, and then you can download the map data in your area to the unit. Okay, once you download the map to the unit, you can use the Google Map offline, just like any other navigation software. It's very nice. And other than that, of course, you can also go to the setting. Let's go back to the setting right here. It also comes with multiple language. You can also select different language based on your personal preference. You can change the radio region right here. You also come with the RDS. Audio is another part. This is the revised version. You also come with the equalizer. As you can see, you can change different sound setting based on your personal preference. If you mess with the setting, you can just click on reset. You will reset the setting back to factory default. This is the new version. You will significantly increase the Bluetooth quality because you can adjust the sensitivity and echo level of the microphone. Sound gain is another feature that will allow you to control the sound output, the audio output of every single application, such as the radio, music, or Bluetooth. This is very nice. And video is another thing, video in motion. This feature will allow the passengers to enjoy the video while the car is in motion. That's very convenient and it's very nice on the road trip. Of course, this feature is basically just for the passenger, driver better to focus on driving. And user is another thing will allow you to customize some of the features of the system, such as the default navigation software. If you want to set up the original navigation software to ways, you can also change this setting from here. You can assign the put up logo, put animation, app customize, and the thing you can assign the default music application such as the Shopify or maybe any other application, and app 1 to app 5. That one will allow you to customize the icon on the main interface. For example, if I want to change this one to be or maybe Disney app, then you can change this one, and then the app will move to the main interface. It will be easier for you to access the application. And other than that, of course, you can also download any different kind of application from the Google App Store right here. You can download the Disney app, and then you can also watch the Netflix. If you have the Netflix account, you can log into the Netflix and enjoy the video. As you can see, the system is very fast. Plus, this is 14.4 inches, 2K resolution screen. It's not only 720p, 1080p, is 2K resolution. This is very gorgeous. You need to see it by eyes. Actually, other than that, you can also go to Tubi right here. Tubi is another application similar to Netflix. This one will allow you to watch the video, but it's for free. As you can see, the system is very fast, very smooth. And other than that, of course, you can go to YouTube here. You can search the video. For example, I can go to here. Very nice. And you can also download the video to the USB, or maybe just copy directly to the unit and then play the video as well if you don't want to use the data. This system also support the car setting mode. How to use the car setting mode? Basically, you just need to click on console right here. As you can see, it will show you this interface, and also the powerful is right here, and car setting is here. As you can see, it will show you all the feature here, and many other features. Of course, if your car does not come with this feature, it will not work, but it will be here. And you can also, I'm gonna scroll the manual slower so you guys can see that it will come with many features actually. You can, okay, the last one is the amplifier setting. Because this is retain the original premium amplifiers such as the Alpine, Bose, it comes with your vehicle. This system will also be fully compatible. You can also adjust the volume, the balance, the fader, the bass level, and the treble level here as well. And the surround mode, okay, you can. It's very nice. It's the surround mode here, and on top of this one, of course, you can also use this setting menu, the equalizer, to change the sound, okay? Based on your personal preference, you can find the best setting by yourself. And other than that, of course, you can also go to system to change the application here, to change the setting, but mostly you do not need to change any setting under this menu because we will set up the system for you before we ship it out to you. And of course, this is also support the backup camera, just like what I mentioned. Another thing I want to mention on the backup camera, you can also change the brightness of the backup camera. For example, click on here, click on car, and then you can also adjust the setting here, all right? It's fully customized. You also support the active guide 9 here. And let's try out some other. This system also comes with multiple interface. For example, it also comes the modern style. How it looks like for the modern style? The modern style looks like this basically. It also comes daytime mode and nighttime mode. And other than that, of course, I will prefer the classic mode in this video. And other than that, I'm gonna show you how to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay. Basically, in order to use the wireless Apple CarPlay, you will need to go to Bluetooth at the beginning, but once you get paired with the cell phone, the system will automatically switch to the Wi-Fi at the background. So basically, wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Wi-Fi to transfer all the data. I'm gonna show you. Click on this icon here. Okay, as you can see, search the cell phone immediately, and then click on connect, and then you can see the menu. Change to connecting. Pay attention to the cell phone here, and then click on pair. Click on allow. Okay, and then you can see this one turn to blue, and then click on the home. Click on car auto. Pay attention to the cell phone for the first time. Grant the authorization. For the first time, it might take a little bit longer to pair with your cell phone, but once you get paired with the unit, every time when you get into the car, the system will automatically pair the Apple CarPlay with your cell phone. The Apple CarPlay basically will provide you with the feature of the cell phone, and also the media playback, and also the navigation as well. As you can see, we already paired the Apple CarPlay with the cell phone. The Apple CarPlay will come with two interfaces, the classic interface and also the split screen interface. You can also change the wallpaper under the Apple CarPlay. For example, you can change this wallpaper right here. It looks very, very nice, and the resolution of the screen, to be honest, is gorgeous. And you can also play around all these kind of icon and application here. It will provide with the navigation, the music, and the phone call. It also comes with the text-to-speech feature as well. It also comes with the split screen mode. You can also watch the navigation here and also still know read the media playback information at the bottom. It also comes with the voice control. How to use the voice control? Basically, just hold the bottom left corner here. What's the temperature today?
The high today will be 26 degrees Celsius, and the low will be 13 degrees Celsius.
It's pretty cool. And also, bring me to the gas station.
One possibility is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham, a little over a kilometer to your east.
It's very nice. As you can see, the voice control is very nice. You can also use the the steering wheel to control all the features under the Apple CarPlay. You won't lose any of the feature from the original, of course. In order to go back to the main menu, just need to click on car and it will bring you back to the original menu here. If you want to go back to Apple CarPlay, then just click on the Car Auto. It will bring you to the Apple CarPlay feature right here. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.